Hello guys, in today's video I am going to be taking a look at the 28 watt 7 LED power lights with RGBA. The main reason why I bought them was to give some color to my studio. Okay, what comes in the box? We got the RGB control, the manual, the RGB stage light, and the metal stand brackets. Let's talk about the build quality. Well, the body of the light is made out of ABS plastic, and the front plate is metal. Build quality overall, I give it an 8 out of 10. Taking a look at the back side of the light, we got the power input as well as the power output. In my opinion, it's a very cool feature. At the center we got the digital display, the menu, up, down, and enter buttons. Then we got the DMX input and output. Let's take a look at some of the effects. There's only 6 colors to choose from: red, green, blue, rose, amber, cyan, and white. There's only 5 lighting effects: auto, fade, jump, sound, Okay, here are my thoughts. Well, the set of lights have a very wide range, and it doesn't have a sharp edge, which in my opinion is very cool and it serves purpose for what I want them. The lights are meant to be used for a stage, not for an editing studio like mine. I thought I needed 2 of them, but I am impressed that I only need 1. Like I said, the light is very wide with no sharp at the edges. Fades very good. I like the fact that it has a sensor microphone for the sound effect. Means that it will only light up with loud music, and it also has a built-in fan to keep the LED lights nice and cool. Well, these were my thoughts on the 28 watt 7 LED power lights with RGBA. I will leave the links down below if you're interested. So the main question is, are they cool to have? Heck yeah. Okay, well, this was your host, Sergio with TechOverclock, taking a look, like I said one more time, at the 28 watt 7 LED power lights with RGBA. Have a great day, or night, or good morning, good evening, whatever. Have a great one. I'll see you guys in the next video.